Hi everybody, a very good morning to all of you. I hope all of you are doing better and having a good time. Alhamdulillah, I'm also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. And my name is Bokul and I'm a student as well as an English learner where I'm staying right now. I am staying near a vegetable field. As you can see, the field is looking very beautiful and it looks pretty. In front of me, as you can see, the sun is rising up because this is a morning time and this is a foggy morning and the nature is very beautiful. Behind me, you can see there are many trees and the trees like a forest, but that's not forest. Behind the forest, what I should say, behind the trees there are many houses are there, and I have just come here for having refreshment, and at the same time I have to practice speaking because I want to improve my speaking English, and I'm learning English like millions of people all over the world, so I have to practice my speaking English, and I think it's super important to me. If I want to improve my speaking English, then I have to practice. And I have a suggestion to you. If you want to improve your speaking English, or if you want to learn in English, then you have to practice speaking. So thank you guys. For the first time I'm making this video, so I don't make this video so long, so thank you for watching.